Mobile audiology, what is it? Should you be doing it if you are a hearing healthcare professional? What's going on, everyone? Blaise Delfino, founder and host of the Hearing Matters podcast. Excited to share with you that we dropped a new episode featuring a friend and colleague, Dr. Brad Stewart. I wanted to just release a little reflection as we release this episode. So Brad built a very successful mobile audiology business. He currently teaches other hearing care professionals how to do the same thing. So my favorite line, transfer of information and then process of duplication. Brad absolutely nailed it, but it brought me back to my early years as a hearing care professional, traveling to the different nursing homes and county homes and providing better hearing to those residents who maybe they didn't have family members around to bring them to the office. So we brought better hearing to them. I really loved recording this episode. And Brad, thank you for all that you continue to do. You inspire a lot of us hearing care professionals to continue to help patients hear life's story. So do us a favor, click that link up above, or it's probably in the comments down below. Tune into the conversation. And if you are a hearing care professional interested in mobile audiology, reach out. We're here to help.